nut grinder nut with the washer, the flange nut set. So those are, like, as you know, the grinder. This one, it's Milwaukee. This is 5/8, which is the standard one. This one Deloitte, and also 5/8. And so the reason I'm showing this video, just to make sure this is the new one, because if you lose those, sometimes you lose the key to open the old standard nut. So, and those keys is easy to lose, or I attach it here. Sometimes if you lose this, then you need adjustable pliers to open this. Sometimes hard, but this is the new one I found with you don't need the key anymore, and this one easy to fit like that, and it's really good. You can tie it very well, no problem. See, and you can lose it. So very handy, made of stainless steel. And I ordered those, all of them, from Temu. They are like $5, all 3 sets, which is pretty good, reasonable price. This is the standard one, like all the 5/8. So when you order, if you got a grinder and you, for some reason, you lost the flange nut set, you need to I'll put the link description, so more details about those. You can order them. This is the beneath, the one goes beneath, and then those are the top one. However, as you see here, this is the one most difficult I found. Like, I tried to find one, it fits, as you see, it fits inside here, but I just, every time I order one, it comes in the wrong side. I just can't find. It says, like, the measurement, it says this is about I think it's 16 millim, but still not fitting here for some reason. And so anyway, I can still use this if I flip it the other way like that, but as you see, it's not fitting inside the gap. Here you see the gap, like one side and the other side here, and that's why it's better to have see, but this is how it fits, like that. See, now I'm gonna try it to this one too, just to make sure everything is fit good. And because those, sometimes the threads, you may use a different like some grinder has a different settings or something for. See, this is the old nut, and I always lose this, so that's why I use a rubber band to hold this key in here, because it's easy to lose, especially if you don't have a case. And see, this is the, as you see, this one also has a gap, like between, fits nice and easy. But with Milwaukee, this is bigger than that. So this is the one I ordered. See, fits very good, no problem at all. Very useful tool, very nice. I hope this video is helpful, and those are really good, very useful one. Thank you for watching. All the best, and hope to see you next time.